let's get these BBS RMs on the way to Phoenix. I've got them wrapped up. So, guys, I know we've all been on this journey for a long time. I am definitely excited for it to end. Hey. I'm definitely ready to start riding on them. That's what's been so frustrating is we haven't been able to drive on them. They've just been sitting for so long. So this car, we're gonna be driving.
Excited?
I am excited. It's about time. It's been forever. I saw the E30 coming in. I'll get a quick video of it, but it looks pretty tight. So last time we were here, it didn't have the wheels. Now it's got some really sick wheels on it. But our E30 is gonna have some sick wheels soon, so I can't wait. Oh, is that a 550 or a 575? Right here. 575? Oh. Nice.
I think that was the new one.
It had a sticker on the
label on that one, Todd? Yeah, that one's new.
That's the new one? Sweet.
Yeah, they think it's a sticker off the sticker.
Awesome. I appreciate it.
The third one is spare. They're going to be mounting up. Jay's looking for a valve for it.
Oh, nice. It didn't come with one.
Yeah, he's looking for one.
Oh, sweet. That would be awesome. I appreciate it.
He's good to go.
Nice. I love it.
Should be done, I say, max 15 minutes. So, yeah,
sweet. Yeah, I can totally wait.
Yeah, you're welcome to film.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We have people come film all the time.
Really?
Mostly like all either racing or Element or
That's
whatever company. They bring their marketing team here and they film us mountain balance and
oh my gosh.
Stuff on here, so no problem. So.
That is massive.
Yeah.
How big is that?
24 by 9, I believe. G&L Karma.
Jeez. That is enormous. It's like going like an Escalade or Tahoe.
Yeah. Yukon.
Yukon.
We just did a recon on it. We changed it from nil to all silver with just a machine lift.
Jeez. How much does that weigh?
How big they go. I guess around 80, 90 pounds.
God.
Yeah.
Like you and I are about the same height, and that thing is enormous.
We're pretty good, pretty big size. We just sent away some black rhinos. They weighed 132.
There's my little 15s, like, and then you've got these 24s. Good gosh. All right, so I've got a subscriber on my channel. He's definitely looking at something like this. He really wants a 550, but he's also looking at 575s. It's got the E-gear in it. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at these. That's what it's about right there, man.
Killed a bird without a stone. Talk the talk to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a thief. The curiosity.
All right, I don't have the mic on the camera, so the audio quality might not be 100% perfect, but I'm gonna turn the camera around. There's this sick Defender 90, and then of course there's this E30 convertible. But that 575 is super, super cool.
The Cadillac, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head onto the faucet. You're my alibi. Fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. We made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and lady made her cry. Well, luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot.
She said we're 7 days out before you can start on it, and they're probably a week to get them done. So it sounds like 2 Fridays. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. All right, take care.
You guys have a wonderful day.
All right, so we got our spare, and it's got a valve stem in it now. then these two were good. We didn't need to rebuild them or anything. We swapped tires over. So no longer do we have the messed up tire. That's a good one there. The spare I'm not too worried about. Like, they got scratched. I don't want it to get scratched, but it's not quite as important as some of the other ones. All right, we're home. I'm so tired. Long day. 210 miles of driving or so. But we've got wheels. What I'll do is tomorrow is I will show you. It's actually this one here. I'm gonna deflate, take probably 6 to 7 bolts out, polish, put them back, do the whole thing here, and I'll also show you the ceramic coating. So the two wheels in the rear, I'll show you those being ceramic coated, which I already did. I did that last night. So we'll make a video out of that, but let's close this video out. Thanks for watching, guys. We're almost done. 2 weeks. Wheels will be back on this car, and then we're gonna go for a ride, so stay tuned.
Can't wait.